Lock the tablet holder to the base. Secure the top of the tablet to the base bracket with screws. Insert the USB cable, the USB port of the mini display, and the tablet power cord into the corresponding ports on the bottom of the tablet stand in sequence. Or rotate the tablet 90 degrees to operate. Insert the power cord into the back of the host device, and also insert the other end of the USB data cable into the host device. Press the power button on the bottom of the main unit. The indicator light will illuminate, indicating that the device is turned on. The tablet computer will display the boot screen as soon as it is plugged in. After the device is powered on, a network connection prompt will automatically pop up. Click OK, select a suitable network, and then enter the password to connect. Once the connection is successful, click the back button in the upper left corner to return to the main interface. Upon first login, please click the Create an Account button to enter the registration page, and then fill in your username, phone number, verification code, password, and confirm password. After completing the form, click Register to be redirected to the login page and log in. Users with existing accounts can log in directly. Homepage, click Customer to access the customer profile creation interface. Click Data View to view all customer information for all stores. Click Management, then select Account Management. This will open the Account Management interface. Select Product Directory to access the Product Catalog interface. Select Case Management to access the Case Management interface. Select General Settings to access the Settings interface, where you can switch languages and update software, among other things. Select Detection Management to access the Detection Management interface. Select Learning Center, and the Must Read Before Startup screen will contain 4 videos for learning and viewing. Spectral Interpretation is the spectral analysis interface. On the home page, you can access 4 different testing mode windows. Click Start Skin Test to enter the customer profile creation interface. Scroll to the bottom right and click Add New Customer, fill in the required customer information, and then click Sure. After putting a neck shield on the model and entering the camera interface, the model should place their face against the main unit, adjust their pose according to the voice prompts, close their eyes, and then click the shutter button to start shooting. Clicking Submit will automatically redirect you to the Spectrum interface, where you can view all the captured images. Click Comprehensive Report to view a comprehensive report on your skin. In the upper right corner of the Comprehensive Report page, click the Share button to share via QR code. Click on Skin Analysis to view skin analysis, including options such as acne/sensitive/pigment/aging/water conditioner/fluorescent. Click Microscopic Detection to enter photo mode. Select the area you want to photograph, place the bottom of the handheld microscope flat on the area, and click the button on the screen or the photo button on the handle to take a picture. After the 3 light sources have completed their images, click Submit to automatically jump to the microscopic detection interface. Then click Continue the detection to select another area to photograph, or you can operate through the microscopic detection function on the main interface. Microscopic comparative analysis is the interface for microscopic comparative analysis. Click AI Prediction, and the Aging Prediction interface will appear. You can predict your skin's future aging by sliding the button at the bottom of the screen. Photoaging Prediction is the interface for predicting photoaging. You can also predict future photoaging of your skin by sliding the button at the bottom of the screen. Click Sun Protection Testing to enter the Sun Protection Testing interface, enter the name of the sunscreen brand, and click Start the detection to take a photo. You can also do this through the main interface by clicking Sun Protection Testing. After shooting, you need to upload and analyze the footage. Sun protection testing is the interface for testing sun protection effectiveness, and sun protection comparative analysis is the interface for comparing and analyzing the effectiveness of sun protection. Click Comparative Analysis to access the comparative analysis interface. Click Scalp Detection to enter the Scalp Detection interface. Click Start Taking Photos to take pictures. Select the area to be photographed, place the bottom of the handheld microscope flat on the area to be photographed, and click the button on the screen or the photo button on the handle to take pictures. After the 3 sets of light sources have completed the photographing, click Submit to automatically jump to the Scalp Detection interface. Then click Continue the detection to select other areas to photograph, or you can operate through the scalp detection operation on the main interface. Scalp comparative analysis is the interface for scalp comparison analysis. Click Weight Management, enter the height and weight, and you can access the following analysis interface. Click Facial Management, enter your bedtime and wake-up time, and you will be taken to the following analysis interface.